study in Shri Venkateshwara International School. I wish to appreciate and thank Dr. Gagandeep Korgulati for taking this initiative of story narration campaign. I wish to thank her and her team for giving me a chance to narrate this story for their YouTube channel Weaving Dreams. The story is written by me, Ocean Arora. I really sure that you all will like and appreciate my story. The One Who Never Quit. The story is all about a powerful girl, Anjali. Since she was 10 years old, she wanted to do something big in her life and always says, I don't care whether I do something immense now or at the age of 60. It's just that I want to do it. In her spare time, she always liked to research on certain different things and also handles school works side by side. Anjali needed her parents' support, but her parents wanted to push Anjali in film industries. Her parents tried to make Anjali agree for acting, but it was totally impossible. Now, it was 10 years later and Anjali was not able to do anything that she dreamed. She always makes an effort to do social services as well. At the present age of 20, Anjali got a certificate of appreciation, one gold medal and a trophy from the government for her contribution towards social services. But for Anjali, it was only her first step towards her dreams. It's a long way left for her. After some years, Anjali focused on people's needs and decided to make something according to their requirements of the society. She also did a lot many surveys. She observed that in each case there is a necessity of a device for children which actually do not affect their eyes, as now and then children are there on devices such as phones, laptops, computers, tablets, etc. Besides these things, Anjali continued social services and have collected many certificates, trophies and medals from the government. But seeing the passion of Anjali, her parents also supported her. She pursued with the idea of inventing a powerful device. Now comes up a arduous stage for her. She always tries and due to some issue she gets failed. She faced failures 999 times. Many people let down her by saying that she is a girl so she cannot do anything. But she disregarded them. This was the 1,000th time that she faced the failure. And also in between she tried to give up. But then she recalls her mother's words which were never quit. These two words always used to motivate her up. Her parents was no more with her and were in the heaven. In between, she was working with radioactives and also with many wires. Now while working, Anjali got a critical electric shock. Her neighbors quickly took her to the hospital and when doctor checked her, she was really serious. Doctor said that they will need to do the operation and her neighbors were so kind that they paid all the bill. Doctors gave her anesthesia and started the operation. She suffered 2 years in the hospital. After 2 years, she got rid of hospital but did not left her passion. She continued trying. Now it was her 1001 try and finally she did it at the age of 62. And it was a huge accomplishment for her and also got a big appreciation from not only whole India but from whole world. Media was all around her. Her device was too distinctive as her device holds many new features such as it has battery saver or 1 hour which increases the battery life of the device. It did not have blue light which affects the eyes, many new features for security, and was not expensive and was in a nominal price so that everyone can afford it easily. Its advantages were not harmful for eyes, electricity saver, reliable for money, and best for security. At the age of 68, Anjali also invented an electro dustbin for saving earth and environment, which helps to clean roads. It can detect all the garbage or waste and throw it inside itself. After the dustbin is fully filled, it goes to landfills and is recycled. After this invention, she got many Limca records and Guinness World Records on her name. Anjali also made plastic bags which were free of toxic chemicals and named them green plastic. After she got 80, she got a serious heart attack and she was admitted in AIIMS. Doctors said that as she was working with radioactives, she got a severe heart attack. After 1 year, she died. She also dreamed to make a time machine and she worked on energy that controls time. But unfortunately, she was unable to fulfill this dream of hers. As she lived in Delhi, people of Delhi made an enormous statue of her to remember her forever and named her the great woman and the mother of invention and technology. People also dedicated a day on her memory on 21st January as she was born on 21st January. Children also studied her in general knowledge. This story proves things like first, success and passion will never ask you your age. It will always ask you your aim to get successful in your dreams. Second, if you really want to attain your dreams, then don't keep them only dreams. Make them the existence of your life. Third, girls are not less than boys. Gender equality. Fourth, last but not the least, nothing is impossible to do. I'm really hopeful that you all liked my story and narration. Looking forward to your likes, comments and shares. Your comments shall surely motivate me to perform again and on many more such platforms. I again thank Weaving Dreams team for this opportunity and wish them all the best for the endeavor. Much obliged. And thanks to Gagandeep Gulati ma'am once again.